His past COVID moves have been controversial. Now Dominic Perrottet is having another go at pushing forward.
This is what the new world looks like as the pandemic moves to an endemic phase.
The Premier had the state's Chief Health Officer by his side as he announced he was removing many restrictions reintroduced because of the Omicron wave earlier than scheduled.
At the moment, we've seen a stabilisation in numbers with slowly declining hospital and ICU admissions.
So from tomorrow, QR codes will be scrapped almost everywhere. They'll still be required at nightclubs and large music festivals. Singing and dancing will be back at all venues. The recommendation to work from home has been removed, and there'll be no density limits at hospitality venues. It's a relief for small business owners.
I'm very hopeful that customers, they feel like when they see, it is normal again, everyone is coming out, they have this confidence back.
While for nightclubs, there's excitement.
It's now a frantic rush to make sure everything is prepped and organised, but we're going to get there. It's going to be a big, big weekend.
From next Friday, the mask mandate ends for most places. They'll only have to be worn on public transport, on planes and in airports. They will also be required in hospitals, aged and disability care homes and indoor music festivals with more than 1,000 people.
Even though we might move away from mandates, being proportionate and measured response, that everyone has to make their own contribution to keeping themselves, their loved ones and the broader community safe.
Non-urgent elective surgery will also resume next week at all public hospitals, but not at the same level before the Omicron wave. This comes on a day where 10,000 new cases have been recorded and 14 more people have died. But the Premier has pointed to the decreasing hospitalisation numbers and the increasing booster rate as justification for easing these restrictions earlier than planned.
If he's made the decision in concert with the Chief Health Officer, Kerry Chan, I watched the press conference today and she's supportive of the changes, we're not going to knock him in relation to that.
And to coincide with international borders reopening on Monday, New South Wales has altered the hotel quarantine rules for unvaccinated returning travellers, reducing it from 14 to 17 days. Ashley Raper, ABC News, Sydney.